Hello everyone, we're back here at Sterling Grove Golf and Country Club, a beautiful subdivision built by Toll Brothers Luxury Homes. Hi, I'm Brandon Bethel, your Arizona Realtor with Fathom Realty, and I'm excited to be here again to talk about Toll Brothers Luxury Homes, this beautiful community that's gonna have in time 2,200 homes. Right now, there's 14 models for you to see, over 8 home collections, and also over 30 home designs for you to select and choose from. There's going to be wonderful amenities here for you to enjoy and experience. Right now, come out and enjoy this Jack Nicklaus designed 18-hole golf course. And also for you avid golfers, you can check out the tee times and also golf memberships at sterlinggroveclub.com. For all these wonderful, amazing amenities that you're going to be able to enjoy and experience, visit sterlinggroveclub.com. And also for these beautiful homes that you can see before you get here online, check out sterlinggrove.com. I look forward to having an opportunity to talk to you in person and also talk to you over the phone. You can give me a call at 623-476-9349, 623-476-9349. Please visit my website at brandonbethelazhomes.com. That's brandonbethelazhomes.com. Again, surprise is the hot spot for new homes. Toll Brothers Luxury Homes is the talk, as well as Sterling Grove Golf and Country Club. It's the talk of the valley. You have to come see for yourself. I look forward to having an opportunity to talk to you over the phone and seeing you in person. Have a blessed day. Well, Ed, I think that's a wrap, sir.
Yes, we got it.
Come see this amazing gated golf course community located in beautiful Surprise, Arizona, called Sterling Grove. You can select and design your very own home in the all-ages part of the subdivision or in the 55-plus active adult community. As a Sterling Grove resident, you can enjoy daily, breathtaking views of the White Tank Mountains, lakes, ponds, and gorgeous golf course greens. Tennis, anyone? On any day, you will be able to participate and enjoy all the wonderful activities and amenities that Sterling Grove Club will have to offer. A beautiful day of golf at Sterling Grove? Visit the Golf Pro Shop or call for tee times and golf memberships. While you are there, shop for your very own Sterling Grove golf attire and golf accessories. Work out in the fitness center, or just relax at the spa or pools, and enjoy casual dining with family and Sterling Grove friends. It only takes one visit to Sterling Grove to see that this could be a special place to call your new home. If you're ready to buy or sell your home, call Brandon Bethel, your Arizona Realtor, with Fathom Realty. Make the right move with Brandon.